cleaning here is, very important. Keeping it clean, tidy. Keeping it clean and tidy, very important. Because the cat and dog be in here a lot, so keep it clean and tidy, smelling good. These things, very important. So, like, once a month I come here, and I clean it. I always, wipe it down throughout the month, but give it a good cleaning. Just keep things fresh and clean. This spray has a very nice, fresh, linen smell to it. I just want it to be, maybe a little extra clean. I don't want my house to be smelly. I don't want my cat and dog, living in dirty environments. Because then they could get fleas and ticks. And then that's more money spent on, unnecessary things that, really isn't needed. Just keep the area clean. And that will be very simple. It's not too much of a hard task. Keep it clean. Keep it wiped down. Keep this area clean, especially this area. When I mean this area, I mean the whole entire area, not just, here. The whole entire room. Keep it smelling good, wipe down, fresh, clean. Make it smell good. I love how this spray smells. It's lemony fresh. Have a very fresh smell. You don't smell no artificial ingredients in it. Just keep everything tidy. Keep it looking good. I'll be back. I have to get some more tissue. I'll be back. Give me a second to get some more tissue. I like using white paper towel because you could see everything being clean. You could actually see the dirt